Greetings again, Rasacki on the scene. Just giving you a little update on the vibes, what's going on, and really, by the time when you see this video and thing, is because a lot of weeks pass, new to this editing and how to do this thing, so it's taking a little while to get there, and then I was trying to get a little more content to make sure that I have some videos I could put out in a row too. So that's why I didn't really launch off immediately. And you will notice that now by some of the days, the timeline change. You see the day to night and all kind of things. So, but probably when I get closer to the end, you will have the videos more. And originally the bike, the engine was rebuilt. So the only issue that really was there was the fact that they had some electrical issue. The CDI and suspected it could be the stator and the pickup coil, but we was kind of getting an okay response when testing the stator, but it kind of up in block. So those parts are already on the way. You know, better be safe than sorry. So mechanically it was alright and electrically not so. On the bike, structurally the bike was sung. It's a older model bike, you know, it has some age, you know, it needed a little love. So you would have seen us going through the process of dismantling, taking apart everything. From every single part came off and box and mark and checked and stuff and cleaned and prepped and what, and putting it back, it makes sense, you know. Getting the frame, a badly needed paint, and then the panels itself, the body panels themselves was in some of them were good, real good condition, but there's discolored and others needed a little sanding and some work. So did it, you know, do it yourself. That's what this is about, having fun doing things yourself. So I got the assistance of my brother Jerry. He's a really class and he's a boss from a long time. Yeah man, an airbrush tattoo. Skillful fella into woodworking, right? I'm a boy. And Lou is the mechanic. Lou is a kind of technical fella, scientist, genius kind of fella. He just breaking down, taking apart easy and figuring out stuff. So, and good people around me. My next brother Carmichael, you know. No boy, you don't know how he is moving. Tight from long way back. So on the update, soon to get the CPI. Basically I have to get some little extra parts to get everything straight up. Almost finished putting assembled. Then we will start to fly it up and see what's going on with the bike. So hopefully when we reach that point, everything straight. Don't know, moving with a good vibes. God bless everything, you know. Giving thanks every day. Living, loving life. You don't know until we pick up again. Bless. What you think it is? I get you. What's going on here, but I didn't come for this, you know. But it's here. Thing like that.
Baby, let me put it in up. Baby, the brakes I cut. Baby, sit in the bus. Baby, give me the engine and make it. Under your bonnet, start till the feet up. Ha! Then you reverse it and back it up like a truck. Ha! The engine broke down. I come to make it work. Yeah, time for diagnostic. Come, let me jack it up. Yeah, yeah, it's winch. Screwdriver, look the winch. Screwdriver, baby, winch. Screwdriver, look the winch. Screwdriver, baby, winch. Screwdriver, look the winch. Screwdriver, baby, winch. Screwdriver, look it coming. Yeah, look the hammer, 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 hammer. Baby, let me put it in. Baby, the brakes I cut. Baby, sit in. make the jack fit. Pump the tire, put in the dipstick, but it look like she eye level lick. So me put in the bolt and cock it quick. This is the result of your diagnostic. Yeah, yeah, this wrench. Screwdriver, look the wrench. Screwdriver, baby, wrench. Screwdriver, look the wrench. Screwdriver, baby, wrench. Screwdriver, look the wrench. Screwdriver, baby, wrench. Screwdriver, look it coming. Yeah, look the hammer, 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 hammer. Baby, let me put in the nut. Baby, the brakes ain't cut. Baby, cylinder bust. Baby, give me the engine and make it. Yeah.
Wow, you did well.
Thank you, internet. Amazon.
Try not to line with Lobo too much. You could be got any wrong.
Yeah.
We want to change this.
So how you know the condition if it's good or not?
We're supposed to test it electrically. But by sight. Lobo, come and see if I've seen it. Let me see how good you really is. Something wrong with your stator. I give you a hint, right? What is happening? We watch the colors.
You coming up?
But if you notice here,
It's clear.
it's lighter, but here darker.
Yeah.
Let me see if it's the light cutting now.
No. Yes, the
Right?
lighter. So that means some
So-
burning went on here.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's why we suspect, right? The other thing is that
The wiring for the pickup coil.
you see them kind of
Patch
join
wire.
up with tape and
Yeah, mad thing. What's this? And you connect that
I don't know
some.
why I expose it.
No, and you feel it brittle.
wire join all here,
Very brittle.
right? So we seen where the pickup coil is. You see
Yeah.
where the stator is. This is the little gears.
The gears, yeah.
So this year you're putting this aside.
No, we
Or you
going
have to
to
use back the electrical.
no, we going to switch out everything.
New
inside.
thing, fresh.
And what about the electrical?
That going, like the pickup coil. That coming with the stator.
This year, right?
Yeah.
This here
Right.
and this little unit,
Yeah.
important.
Changing.
So this really is to produce current to charge the battery.
So you know what, Lou?
And this is a really...
But we keeping that
The
and
ignition
and
system.
you know, just in case. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you know, a man, if a man say,
So it's a good idea to change all that then.
yeah.
If they ain't go on, it's close to going.
So why?
Alright, cool.
Yeah, this wrench. Screwdriver, look the wrench. Screwdriver, baby, wrench. Screwdriver, look the wrench. Screwdriver, baby, wrench. Screwdriver, look the wrench. Screwdriver, baby, wrench. Screwdriver, look it coming. Yeah, look the hammer, 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 hammer. Baby, let me put in the nut. Baby, the brakes ain't cut. Baby, cylinder bust. Baby, give me the engine and make it. Yeah. She say that she want it fixed. So me tell her put in the gear, reverse it quick. Under the chassis, make the jack fit. Pump the tire, put in the dipstick, but it look like she eye level lick. So me put in the bolt and cock it quick. This is the result of your diagnostic. Yeah, yeah, this wrench. Screwdriver, look the wrench. Screwdriver, baby, wrench. Screwdriver, look the wrench. Screwdriver, baby, wrench. Screwdriver, look the wrench. Screwdriver, baby, wrench. Screwdriver, look it coming. Yeah, look the hammer, 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 hammer. Baby, let me put in the nut. Baby, the brakes ain't cut. Baby, cylinder bust. Baby, give me the engine and make it. Yeah. Boy, Mr. Fix It, the girl them a ball out. Boy, Mr. Fix It, the girl them a ball out. Boy, Mr. Fix It, me say, girl, this is the result of your diagnostic. Baby, it
Folks, this is the old stator. This is the new stator. Can you tell the difference? This one's shiny. This one's not. This one looking kind of gunky. And this one's not gunky. And what's the wire? And this one. What's the wire? I feel it somewhere inside it. Of that one. Point is good, not so good. Any questions?
Empire Records, MGT family. That's what she like. Man in she hole, she like that. Man in she hole, she like that. So I slam it and she like a Draco. Every gal in this ass just get low. And then I slam it and she like a Draco. And every gal in this ass just get low. How will you get low? How will you get low? And then I empty the then I reload. How will you get low? How will you get low? And then I empty the then I reload. And then I spin it and she like a 38. Swing back on it till it gravitate. Cut, make your soul start levitate. Real bad man, I know featherweight. That is my hobby, to make y'all jump like Easter bunny. Legs start to shake like a dashboard puppy. Place start to wet up when in your belly. Rapid, yeah from Kelly. In she hole, she like that. Man in she hole, she like that. Man in she hole, man in she hole. Man in she hole, she like that. So I slam it and she like a Draco. Every gal in this ass just get low. And then I slam it and she like a Draco. And every gal in this ass just get low. How will you get low? How will you get low? And then I empty it, then I reload. How will you get low? How will you get low? And then I empty it, then I reload. And then I slam it and she like a Draco. Gal spin pon the like tornado. And then I squeeze up the like it's Play-Doh. Hey gal, why you stay so? Then you sit down on the and ride like a jockey. Knock it with a stick like a playing hockey. No center soft thing, she wanted Rocky. Get over, because you evil like Chucky. Man in she hole, she like that. Man in she hole, she like that. Man in she hole, man in she hole. Man in she hole, she like that. So I slam it and she like a Draco. Every gal in this ass just get low. And then I slam it and she like a Draco. And every gal in this ass just get low. How will you get low? How will you get low? And then I empty it, then I reload. How will you get low? How will you get low? And then I empty it, then I reload. Empire Records, MGT family. That's what she like. Man in she hole, she like that. Man in she hole, she like that. So I slam it and she like a Draco. Every gal in this ass just get low. And then I slam it and she like a Draco. And every gal in this ass just get low. How will you get low? How will you get low? And then I empty it, then I reload. How will you get low? How will you get low? And then I empty it, then I reload. And then I spin it and she like a 38. Swing back on it till it gravitate. Cut, make your soul start levitate. Real bad man, I know featherweight. That is my hobby.